Yo, so today we're talking all about consistency and going to do this through a recent project that I posted up, and it is one where I was invited to paint a wall of speakers at the MGM Grand in Las Vegas for the Usher Residency. And it was through a company called Handsome Little Devils. They're a production company that also works on the Usher Residency, and because they're based in Denver, they know my work and they know my reputation and my consistency. So they hit me up when they had an idea of painting on a wall of speakers. So they sent me the wall of speakers and said, hey, we would love for you to come out here and just paint the Usher portrait on there. And they knew my consistency because they've seen my work, they've seen the quality, and they know I can deliver when it comes to, just being professional and everything. So that is something that I really try to hone in on when it comes to getting opportunities as an artist, is that you never know who's watching you when you're sort of doing your other projects that you may not even think someone's watching, but there's a lot of people watching, and a lot of people gauging how consistent you are, how sort of professional you are, and word of mouth gets around. And when they have an idea or a project or an opportunity, they can also tag you along on that project. So this is something that I always hone in on, like I said, when it comes to being an artist, that when you want to get opportunities like this is really the starting point, is just being consistent in your practice, so that when people see you and people have an idea of, hey, I have an opportunity and I want to give it to an artist, or I need an artist for this sort of project, they think of you for that opportunity and they hit you up. So that is something, like I said, I really want to hone in on, is the idea of being consistent with your practice, your work, your professionalism, and just being all around, a great sort of artist and, colleague to work with, because that is how I get projects like this. So you're able to see this now in the MGM Grand in Las Vegas, and hopefully you'll like it in person, and I will see you next time. Peace.